Well...
I can't believe you guys haven't played Pizza Cats before.
Did somebody say play? I'm so excited to play with you guys.
Oh!
Sorry about that. I thought I was gonna sneeze first.
Oh, it sounds like you need some help.
But when someone's in need, call the Thunderous 3!
Transform!
What?
It's the Thunderous 3! Now you know what they do, man, we don't really know. But if you stick around, you'll find out right after the show! Right after the show! It's the Thunderous 3!
Oh, it's just a little tickle in my nose.
Do you need a sleeve?
No, thank you.
Well, what if I say achoo? If I say achoo, you won't actually have to go. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
That's you can't stop sneezing that way, Victor. I still feel like I have to sneeze.
Then what about a sneezing force field?
Ah! No sneeze! Zone! No!
Oh wait, I have a tissue right here. Thanks anyway.
Whew! That was close.
Another successful rescue by the Thunderous 3.
Indeed.
Hi, 3! Who have you helped today?
Achoo!